Oh my god, alas. Here, let me show you that there is an accident in front of me. Oh god. The journey we are on now is starting with Frankfurt and ending with Leipzig. Means we will start with Frankfurt and we will end on Leipzig. This journey is about almost 400 kilometers. This entire journey has been almost in the rain. There will be rain as well as lightning. Assalamu alaikum, Guten Tag, Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. I warmly welcome you guys to my channel Travel Europe and me. Viewers, I hope all are you very happy in your life. The journey we are on now is starting with Frankfurt and ending with Leipzig. As I already told you that today's our journey started from Frankfurt. Here I would like to tell you about Frankfurt. Viewers, Frankfurt is the most populous city in the German state. It's 791,000 inhabitants as of 2022, which is make it the fifth most populous city. This city is traditionally known for its production of high-quality sausages. Frankfurt has long been a key stopping point for river, rail, and road traffic from Switzerland and southern Germany, along the Rhine River to the Ruhr region and across the main river of north-central Germany. Viewers, Frankfurt is home to the world's largest book fair, widely considered to be the most important book fair in the world for deals and trading. It's the largest fair based on both the number of visitors and the number of publishing companies represented. Frankfurt is one of Germany's most expensive cities and has high prices for accommodation, dining out, and transport. For this reason, Frankfurt is not an appealing destination for budget travelers. Here, I would like to tell you that Frankfurt is one of the safest cities in the world. 7th place for quality of life. The Mercer Quality of Life ranking regularly confirms Frankfurt is quite simply one of the best places globally to enjoy life. The most interesting thing about the road of this country is that the water does not collect here as much as it rains. Viewers, the water system here is so good. Yes, the water system so good that the water does not collect on the road. Viewers, roads are very clean. There is no dirt, no dust on the roads. Roads are very smooth. There are no cracks on the road. Viewers, roads are very plain that we can say that we can travel here very smoothly because there are no cracks as well as no breakage. As I already told you that this entire journey has been almost in the rain. It has been raining while traveling here, which is very beautiful sight. We will show you the rain and its beautiful sound as well. Viewers, to be very honest, it is very beautiful journey for me that I am traveling and seeing the beautiful scene and sound of rain. Guys, according to me, traveling in the rain has its own fun. The sound of rain more appealing than the sound of music. Rivers, as we all know, rain, a natural phenomena, is a universal symbol of relief, renewal, and rebirth. It embodies the divine rhythm of nature, a melody that soothes the soul and stirs the senses. Rivers, the beauty of rain, transcends the boundaries of sensory perception, touching on the profound depth of human emotions and thought. According to profile, a lover of rain, someone who finds joy and peace of mind during rainy days. In this video, we can also see the lightning. Here, I would like to tell you the relationship between rain and lightning. Viewers, when the charges are strong enough, the electricity is discharged as a bolt of lightning. Well, some lightning often precedes rain. The main event occurs as a downdraft start and rain or other precipitation falls. We are moving towards Leipzig. Leipzig is an important economic center in Germany. Hardly any other European city can boast such a rich musical heritage as Leipzig. As the birthplace of Richard Wagner and the place where Bach, Mendelssohn both played the Schumann and Mahler work, Leipzig is the most for music lovers. Leipzig is also famous for peaceful revolution of 1989. Leipzig is the largest city in Saxon Germany, with an area of about 30,000 and currently almost 6 lakh inhabitants, benefiting also from protected alpine forests stretching from the south towards the north. If we compare it to a lot of other major German cities, Leipzig is not home to a large immigrant population, with just 5.6%, only on 5.6% of people residing in Leipzig being born outside of Germany. Oh my god, alas. Here, let me show you that there is an accident in front of me. Oh god, please save them. Here, I also want to tell you, as soon as the accident happened, the police came here. The police reaches here at the same time as the incident took place and does not delay. Along with the, let me tell you that they have placed 3 lights at the accident site. And viewers, smoke is coming out of these lights. I was driving while making this video, so I don't know that the smoke is coming from the lights was recording in this video or not. Viewers, along with this, they have installed a light about 4 feet above the roof of a vehicle, which has been lit up, by which people from a distance know that an accident has occurred in front of them. By seeing this, which they will slow down their speed. Okay viewers, now our video is coming to an end. The purpose of this video was to show you how beautiful the road becomes after the rain here, and what was the condition of that place where an accident occurred. I hope you will enjoy our video. Inshallah, see you very soon with another exciting journey. Till then, take care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. Be happy and stay connected with us. Okay, bye bye. Take care.